This question came in the recent examination conducted by the UPSC CISF exam. You can expect this kind of questions in your civil service also. First, try to understand this question. Assume that to be some foodstuff that is sufficient for the team of X number of days. Team for X number of days. After 20 days, 20% of the team members happen to quit. It is observed that the remaining foodstuff is sufficient to feed the remaining members for the another X number of days. What is the value of X? You need to find the value of X. Before that, try to take this note. This is very important. The total amount of food, this much of unit, okay, which is equal to total people into total number of days. If you know this one, easily you can able to solve this question. For our convenience, you can take the total number of members as sum, like 100 members, 200 members, 300 members, 400 members. For our convenient purpose, I am just taking as a 400 because 25% members happen to quit. Easily you can calculate 25% with respect to the 400. 100 members are leaving, the remaining members are 300. For that purpose only I am taking as a 100 as a convenient, 400 as a, even you can take the 100, that is not an issue. So let us take the total number or else the total people here as the 400. So therefore the total amount of food actually available here is like 400 into X, YX, that has been provided here as the X number of days. That is total amount. Then find the food consumed in 20 days. So consume in 20 days, which is equal to 20 into this much of amount of food, right? So you can, how many people are consuming? 400 people, right? Total people is 400, total number of days is 20. So which is equal to 8000. Then the food left after 20 days, that also you need to calculate your, which is equal to the total food available here is 400x, this much of unit, minus consumed for the 20 days, so which is equal to 8000, right? Find out the remaining here. For the remaining food, so food left out means the remaining, please remember this is the remaining. So this was consumed by how many people? 25 left, right? 75% of the people. 75% is nothing but 3 by 4 of 400. 3 by 4 of 400, right? Which is equal to 300 people in how many days? X days. So remaining food, which is equal to 400 x minus 8000, which is equal to 300x. So now rearrange this one in order to find out the value of x. So therefore 400 minus 300 becomes 100x, which is equal to 8000. Cancel these two zeros, so therefore x becomes 80. I have found the value of x. So x is 80. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask, or else we will move on to the next. Okay, thank you all.